Hello, everybody. For all the viewers who are joining me from India, a very warm welcome and wish you all a very happy Navratri and a happy Durga Puja. So, this is your reading from the 16th of October to the 31st of October. Please look at your sun, moon, and rising. And for the sign of Cancer, let's see what do we have. I'm going to be drawing you some cards from the Oracle deck, and moving from there, I will be clarifying and see what other spiritual messages and guidance also is coming forward for your sign. So the very first card that I have for you is abundance, and trust me when I say this, Cancerians, even as I was shuffling the cards, the word that popped into my head was abundance, and here the card I have for you is abundance. Cancerians, you are in for an amazing times. Destiny. Gossip. Let's go further and see what else is coming for you. So the start is quite powerful for your cards here. Temperance. I have Page of Swords. And I have the Six of Cups. So alright, so I cannot stop here. I'm going to stop here and take it forward. What I see for you here is that after a lot of wait or probably a lot of hard work, I see abundance coming into your life with the card of Temperance. And with this, you're also getting a lot of knowledge about how to take things forward in your life. I feel like these are divine ideas, divinely inspired ideas you are going to work on in the last 15 days of October. I have the card of Nine of Earth for you. This talks to me about enjoying the small luxuries in life and every little thing you have around you, and also spending some quiet time alone, Cancerians. I feel like this is a very successful and a very powerful time in your life right now. I also have the card of Page of Air. So I already have two pages in your reading. Both are the air element, the Page of Swords and the Page of Air. And this talks to me like there are either some delays or challenges in your path. And also some truth could be coming forward for you. Challenging information could be presented to you without tact. But again, something is being revealed, or this is someone coming into your life with a proposal. Someone really likes you a lot with the Six of Cups here, and they could be opening up to you. They could be coming forward with their heart to you, so remain hopeful. And with the Nine of Earth energy, I feel like definitely with regards to health, wealth and love, everything is looking good here. We have the Ten of Water. I feel like after the Nine of Earth, the Ten of Water is like the Ten of Cups. So this is definitely talking about a beautiful time together with family, with those you love, with your friends, or extended family, or family like friends like family. All your needs are going to be met here in this time frame. Here is what I'm getting for you, Cancerians. And then I have the Page of Fire. I feel like you are building some trustworthy relationships here, and people around you, those who are around you right now, they can really be trusted. There are a lot of things happening in your life with regards to abundance, destiny and gossip. So when I'm talking about abundance here, this is your energy. You have stepped into this, you have worked towards this, and now this is for yours for keeping. And also when I talk about destiny, something that is destined for you is going to take place for you within the next 15 days in the month of October. I also see a lot of gossip happening. So if this is you indulging in gossip or talking to a lot of people, I would say refrain from doing that. But if this is other people doing this about you, then know that your aura is expanding, your fame is expanding, and this is them talking about you. And you're definitely famous here in this time. Let me get you more cards on the Page of Fire. Something new is coming up in your life here. I feel like there is the Queen of Swords energy. There is someone here in your life who is very influential, very powerful, and this could even be your energy if you're not looking at this reading with regards to the matter of heart. And I feel like this person is very much in command. They know they're very powerful, they know where they have to go, where they're getting. And you also getting this along with the page of fire. So page of fire is like the page of wands. Just be original and be genuine. I feel like the simplest things you do right now, you don't have to complicate things. The simplest things you do right now, the simplest ideas you get right now and that you start acting upon are going to take you forward in the right direction here, Cancerians. Let me draw you some more cards from the oracle and see what I'm getting for you. For Cancerians, please. We have another abundance, Cancerians. So you guys have hit the jackpot. Can you see from two different decks? I have the card of abundance for you. My goodness, Cancerians, this is a super amazing week. And you have how many? I feel like your relationships are they're finally beginning to look up and see your worth. People around you are going to feel and experience this peace around you, and you're going to be feeling this peace for yourself as well. Let me draw you some more cards and see. This is like amazing time beginning. The source, like I said, a lot of your ideas are going to be divinely guided. You have the card of the source. Do you see? Even while you're sleeping, you're awake, you could suddenly feel lost or you could feel numb, and that's when this spiritual download is happening for you, Cancerians. Let me go forward and see what the oracle has to say for you. What messages do you have for Cancerians, please? What messages do you have for my Cancerians? Message for Cancerians, please. Valiant courage, take action with passion. So when you are getting these downloads, Cancerians, you are also going to feel the need to go forward and do something about it. Now is the time to take action. Whatever it is that you're feeling divinely guided to do, now is the time to take action and go forward towards it. You also have the card of vast vistas. Expand your horizons, like I said, with so much abundance playing in your life here. The destiny is on your side. Luck is on your side. I also feel very powerful people are here on your side, and now is the time to go forward, expand your horizons, take action is the main theme. Everything is just in your favor, it's just right. I also have the card of Mystic Healer. Some of you Cancerians could be healers looking at this reading. Some of you could be healers, could be going to healers. Some of you could be wanting to learn healing or do energy work. Some of you could already be light workers, star seeds, tarot card readers, Reiki healers. And for this, for you, I'm getting healing energy flows through you. So when all this abundance, this powerful time has begun in your life, I also feel you are so full. Your cup is so full that you are ready to give this energy to outside to other people. And that's why the card of Mystic Healer, you are a healer right now. Even those who you talk to will feel healed from deep inside. This is some very blessed time that's begun in your life, your Cancerians. And if you like this reading, please give this a thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate it. And if you can subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification icon, I would so much love you guys for that. And thank you for coming back to my channel and looking at my readings again and again and commenting and let me know how you're doing in life. Until we meet again, bye bye, stay safe, stay blessed, and happy Durga Puja to one and all from Kavya here in India. Namaste.